try to buy something in Khmer language. Susdai, Ekinis. So, muy man. Chennai or?
Which one you want?
Spicy.
No, how come on? Yeah, I mean, I have slang on. I know what. Just one with it.
Okay.
Bốn thời bông.
What is this? Tamarind.
Ompal.
Umpal. I know all this. Maybe this is avocado.
Ini tang curry tang bok man. Ayo tak chi muối chừng. One curry or fish?
Huh?
Which one you want? Curry or fish? This one or this one? This one is pork.
This one is?
Curry, chicken curry.
Ah, chicken.
Oh, jangan deh jangan.
Yeah.
Cho curry với nhau. Yeah.
Ask her to put less. Can't put this much.
Ý đã tinh tích ba nói hay cái lại thầm đá.
Ah, more.
Đợi trên class đi.
Just for trying, okay? This looks nice. What is this called? Numbang? Numbang chak. What is this?
This is chicken.
And this one?
This is my noodle.
And this one?
This one, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yep.
Add some chili. Add.
Okay. And what about this?
What is this?
Chili.
Oh, not that one. This. Next. This one. What is it?
True. This is not good with it.
Okay.
No.
This is chicken. This is chiam.
Chim. Yeah.
Okay.
This blood chicken.
Blood chicken. And this is
And
noodle.
this is pongmon an.
Huh? This is
Pongmon an.
pungmong an.
Yeah.
Pungmong an.
Yeah.
Boiled egg. Roasted egg.
Yeah.
Boiled egg. Okay. Got numbang.
Yep.
Okay. Why it is like this? Good. Not bad. But it does not have any flavor. Like this. So this is. Wow.
Yeah.
But this one. Very good. This one is good. Keep this food for a long time. So what if she cannot sell everything?
I mean that this
No.
noodle.
What if she cannot sell everything? It is waste.
Just waste and take it for like sharing to other.
Trying local food, local Khmer food. So I think this one is fish. Yeah, we ordered something, but I don't know what it is. Let's see. Food is here. This, and this. Sangwa. Okay. Sangwa. This I think is made of fish. Okay, fish, and we put in sauce like this.
We put in sauce, you mix all together, fish, vegetable and Khmer noodle and put it in the sauce and it.
Ah, it's good. What is this? This is just salad.
Salad
Okay.
and we make everything.
Okay.
Yeah, and Khmer noodle.
Khmer noodle.
Just a little bit. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we
And
add
then
this one.
okay, so
That's one.
on top of that you add that fish. Ah, I see.
See that?
Yes, and then you dip in the chili sauce
Yes, and eat it.
and then eat it. Wow. So new food, this one, and then this one. I need to try. Love this sauce. Nice. So you said I need to add this. Okay, so this is spice.
Yes, pepper salt.
Okay, so I take this one and then add it here, and then it's hot. Look good. My favorite so far. Chamwan look.
គល់ស្លឹកគ្រៃ
Cham
ឆា
cha
មាន់
mon
គល់
kon
ស្លឹកគ្រៃ
saklai
ស្លឹកគ្រៃ
slakrai.
Yep.
Chamwan moon slakrai. Not right?
That's not right.
Then one more. This is cha mon kul sak cry. Eat with sauce, na? No? Oh. Missing little bits of spice.
Actually, this one is not eat with sauce. Yeah.
Okay. Chamon cool shokrai. You also want chamon look cool sukrai? Yes. Okay. So chamon cool sokrai for you. Chamon cool sokrai for you. Okay. Good. One more. Chamo cool sokrai for you also. Not good? You like it? Spicy? No spicy? You want spicy? Okay. What do you call this?
ចេកអាំង
Chai ang.
នំចេកអាំង
Nong chai ang. So this is rice in the banana leaf, and then inside there is coconut. This is one of my favorite things to eat, and we make this in India in festival, and I love this. So there is sweetness of banana inside, sweetness of coconut and a little bit of banana, and it is packed with rice. This is very delicious. I love this. 100% recommend. So I'm going to ask for food in Khmer for the first Khmer language. We'll try to buy something in Khmer language. Susdai, Ekinis.
Chai chong.
So So, muy man.
Một bóng 5,000 ria.
Trên này rồi.
Dạ.
Trên này rồi.
Cái này tích tích.
À, ta.
Mình luôn đi hả? Em ta cô ta lại luôn đi.
Tal muy.
Dạ.
Tal muy. Ten muy. Ten muy.
Tên mùi.
Ten muy. Ten muy.
Nhung ấp cái này đi. Nhưng mà chơi chai rồi không nhung.
Chơi ba nè. Dạ. Nó thiếu cơm đi. Là đi khuất.
Lúc trắng có cái nhung hả?
Khuất đấy mơ biết đó. Giờ anh ấy hư anh ấy. Giờ anh ấy với nhé.
À.
Ra.
Muy man.
5,000.
À. Đó. Ako nun.
No have.
Oh, no.
Okay. Hello, would you like some food?
I was looking for this, but
Bằng phía đất, phía ăn.
yeah, so
Grill.
no, food or fish.
Không được kìa. You're the
Ah,
for grill.
this one for grill.
Only one? Or one plate?
How many? How many in one plate?
Ngoài ta. Quay em có tới.
Bà cha nó mới thèm.
Huh?
15,000 ria.
But how many piece?
How many pieces?
Mà chan riêng miệng đọc cái áo ấy.
10,
Cái lộ mà chan tin mới.
10 this.
10. I cannot eat 10. I want 4 piece. 10 is too much. I cannot eat 10.
Bọn mà lấy chai cho đâm chai mà.
Having grilled prawn. I want to have grilled prawn. So that's what I'm trying right now. So these, it's
Bông cầm
less. It's, I cannot eat more. No, I cannot finish.
But con nữa.
Now tell me, this is
Sauce pepper.
sauce pepper. This one,
Here is called tak trai kakong.
trai kakong.
Tak trai kakong.
Tat trai
Kakong.
kakong.
Yeah.
Okay, tat trai kakong.
Yes, and we can add lemon
Okay.
with
Okay, with the
sauce
salt.
pepper. Yeah.
Salt pepper. Mix the salt pepper.
Yeah. Do you want more? No.
Ah,
I think one is enough.
and
Can
then,
If you want more, you can add more.
okay.
Yes, that's it. And you can start it. You can try.
Okay. This is grilled prawn, one of my favorite. So usually what I do in my home is like I throw the head because I don't like it, and then why it is they don't cook properly here. It is half cooked. Huh? Half cooked. I'm struggling to open. Okay, it is what it is like this. this one red sauce. And this one